Mudmaster Incorporated has added a new wash station to its line of innovative Washmaster drywall tools, the Washmaster Pro. Designed for commercial and residential use, it's small, lightweight, and easily portable. The dual tank design is stackable to fit in a small space for transport. Notice the tank handles. They are positioned to avoid the tanks sticking together when stacked. They also prevent the bottom of the inner tank from sitting in any residual drywall mud left in the outer tank. This is the Washmaster Pro pump assembly. Notice the styrofoam block. Its purpose is to minimize water splashing out of the tank when being moved. Next, notice the stainless steel intake assembly to the right. It's designed to keep the intake in the water and above the settled drywall mud. The bottom of the intake assembly is designed to capture a small amount of air. The air slows the assembly's settling to the bottom when placed in a filled tank. Washing tools is made easy with the Washmaster Pro. The 120-volt pump motor delivers 45 psi of pressure. It's excellent for cleaning drywall tools and automatic tapers. As you wash tools, you will be emptying one tank and filling the other. The pump is then moved to the full tank. Notice how his left hand grips the intake assembly's tube with his thumb. This keeps the pump and intake aligned for easier insertion into the full tank. When a tank is pumped empty, the mud settled in the bottom can be recycled and used. The Washmaster Juice, used to separate the mud and water and defoam it, is designed to be harmless to the mud, your skin, tools, and environment. Give the mud and remaining water a chance to separate, pour off any excess water, to reclaim the settled mud, strain out any debris, then add the mud back into your mixer. Notice the tank is designed to be easily gripped. The bottom is recessed to provide an easy grip. A tank lid is provided for those that prefer to carry their tools in the empty tank. We have two advantages over our competition. Washmaster Juice provides quick separation of the mud and water. Design of the Washmaster products takes advantage of the quick separation to facilitate easily reclaiming the washed-off drywall mud. This reduces waste, cleanup, and disposal problems. The water can be reused multiple times, reducing the amount of water needed for cleaning. The water, treated with Washmaster Juice, can be mixed into the mud when needed, as it has no effect on the mud. We will show you how Washmaster Juice amazingly separates the mud and water. Two containers have drywall mud and water in them, about the same amount in each container. We have shaken them to mix the mud and water. You can see the foam shaking creates, much like what happens when the tools are washed. We will add juice to one container in the same concentration recommended for use in the Washmaster. Then we'll again shake the container. You can see the foam dispersing immediately. Look where the arrow is pointing. You can see the mud particles flocculating and dropping out of suspension. You can see the effect better if you watch this video in full screen mode. Again, you can see the foam quickly disperse and the mud settling out. The foam is completely gone except for a few bubbles. The water is clearing enough to look translucent, all within less than a minute. As we zoom out, you can see the untreated container still has the foam and little mud has settled out. It's difficult to see, but in the container with the juice added, we're just starting to see enough clearing that the top of the mud is becoming visible. Rather than wait for more clearing, we're going to shake it up again. As you watch, you can see the water becoming translucent as the mud settles out. This has barely taken a minute. Notice the container without the juice still has about 100% of the foam, and the mud is not perceptibly settling. In the meantime, the treated container has been shaken twice. Contact us or your local drywall supplier for more information.